Good day, everyone. The month of September has come to an end, and with that, let's take a look at how much money do we receive in dividends and options for the month of September on my portfolio, guys. My name is Billy Noguera, and in this channel, I talk about stocks, real estate, finance, and the economy. Now, let's get to the point and see how much money I receive. I am not a financial advisor. Please make sure to consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any investing decisions. The month of September, on average, is the worst month for stocks in the United States, guys. So it's no surprise why I'm down $2,483, guys. But let's see how much money I receive in dividends and options that will minimize these losses. Now, as we can see here, guys, dividends alone, I made $203 in dividends. In cover calls, I made $240. And in cash secure puts, I made $53. All of this together, guys, amount to $293 in options and $203 in dividends, guys. So in stocks only, I'm down $2,443 for the month of September. However, if we factor in the dividends and the options income, I am down $1,987. Now let's see the details of the options and dividends. All right, guys. Once again, guys, in this chart here, we see orange bars and we see green bars, guys. The green bars represent income from options and the orange bars represent incomes from dividends, guys. Let's begin with Bank of America, guys. Bank of America received $28 in dividends, guys, and generated $12 in options, guys. Now, let's see the details down here. On September 11th, sold a covered call on Bank of America, 25 days to close, guys, received $12.34. Closed this option at 46% profit, closed it at $6.66, 10 days after for a profit of $5.68. On the 25th of September, guys, sold another coverage call in Bank of America, 11 days to close, received $14.34, guys. This, once again, I closed it at almost 50%, closed it at $7.66 for a profit of $6.68, guys. And next, we have the dividend received on the 29th of September, guys. Received $28.16 in dividends, and I immediately reinvested those dividends to acquire one share of Bank of America for a cost of $27.37. Carnival Cruise Line, guys. Carnival Cruise Lines, guys, I made in options $26, guys. This option came from on September 5th, guys. I sold this cover call, 24 days to close, guys. Held it for 16 days, closed it at 61% profit, $16 to net $25.68. Now let's move on. Now, ChargePoint, guys. In ChargePoint, I made just $4 on September 12th. So one cover call, received $8.34. I closed it at 52% profit, for a profit of $4.33, guys. Now, ChargePoint, guys, is one of those stocks that the stock hit rock bottom. Pretty much it hit not 52-week low, it hit all-time low for the price of below $5. At this point, I was like, okay, let me just play in this stock. However, I'm not going to buy the stock directly. I purchased calls for January 16th, 2026, guys. This is almost more than a 2-year call, 843 days to close to be exact. I purchased this call for each call for $230 for a total of $460. With this, I'm just going to start playing a lot of cover calls, guys, and also capture some of the upside. Yes, ChargePoint is one of those stocks that are very bad. You don't know the future of it. However, it is set in stone. We are going electric, and ChargePoint will be one of the beneficiaries of it. Either they're going to make a lot of money or they will be acquired by someone else. Either or, chances for profit are there. So therefore, I'm playing with options and selling cover calls against the guys. Now let's move on, guys, to Ford. Receive $31 in options, guys. Also received $36 in dividends in Ford. Now let's see the details here, guys. On the 1st of September, received dividend in Ford for $35.58. Immediately reinvested those dividends, and I was able to acquire almost 3 shares of Ford for $12 average price. Now, the cover call on the 13th of September, sold the cover call 23 days to close, received $10.34, closed this cover call at 61% profit for a profit of $6.33. Now, on the 20th, I sold another cover call on Ford, this time 23 days to close, received $14.34, and that option is still open. Let's see what comes up in the month of October. Now let's move on now here. Let's go to JEPI, guys, our monthly dividend payer. This time, JEPI is increasing their dividends. That's one of the good things, guys. The dividend for JEPI was $37. It's more than the usual. As we see here with JEPI in this dividend history chart, it is a roller coaster, guys. Instead of receiving just 29 cents that it hit rock bottom, it increased to 34 cents. Therefore, it is a positive for me. Great to see JEPI is generating more and more income. Now let's move on to Maine, guys, another monthly dividend payer, guys. In Maine, we receive $54 in dividends. Now, the usual dividend for Maine is $24, guys. So let's see the details, guys. On the 15th of September, we received a dividend from Maine for $24.52. Immediately reinvested those dividends and acquired 0.60% of a share at a price of $41. Now, on the 27th of September, received another special dividend from Maine, guys. This dividend was for $29.48, totaling $54. Let's move on now to Ultra Group, one of my new positions, guys. I purchased 100 shares of Ultra Group at $44.45. New position, guys. That dividend from Ultra Group, almost above 9%, is very, very, very tempting. And so far, the dividend is covered. And let's move on now to Microsoft, guys. Microsoft received a dividend in Microsoft on the September 14th for $30.40. Reinvested those dividends, acquired 0.01 of a share. However, that new position, I purchased 5 more stocks in Microsoft for an average price of $313.53. All right, guys, let's go to Palantier, guys. Palantier, we generated $24 in options, guys. Now, the details are on September 1st. So the cash you were put on Palantier, 21 days to close, guys, received $18.34. Closed this option at 73% profit for a net profit of $13.33. On the 11th, right after, sold another cash secure put, 25 days to close, received $14.34, guys. Closed this again at a 72% profit, netting $10.33. Move on to Plug Power, guys. And Plug Power, guys, we were able to generate $29 in options, guys. The details are on the 13th of September, guys. Sold a covered call on Plug Power, 23 days to close, received $18.34, guys. Closed this option at 58% profit, netting $10.68. On the 21st, another covered call, 22 days to close, received $18 again and 34 cents, guys. This is still open, and let's see what happened in the month of October. Now let's move on to that. This is one of my new positions, guys. Rumble, guys. Rumble cash secure put on the 5th of September, strike $7. Right, I let it get assigned. Therefore, I got 200 shares of Rumble at an average price of $7. I believe that Rumble will catch a lot of market share from YouTube in the future. Guys, in my opinion, it's not that YouTube will go down. It's the opposite. It's the online video is actually growing to the point where, like, YouTube will continue to grow. However, Rumble will start catching market share. Let's move on to the next. XLRE, guys. XLRE is our technology ETF, guys. In this ETF, I was able to generate $137 in options plus $36 in dividends, guys, for total of $173. Now let's see the details, guys. On September 11th, sold a covered call, 18 days to close, received $73.34, guys. I closed it the same day just for a $2 profit because I wanted to extend and make more money, actually. So right after, I sold another covered call, again $179 strike price, but in this case the difference was the first option strike date on the 29th of September. Then I opened it at extra. I gave it 7 more days. Closed it the same day, guys. Closed this option the same day for 48% profit. So netted $52 on the same day. Right after, I opened another cover call. October 6th expiration day, 23 days to close, received $82, guys. This one I let it ride for 2 days. Closed it as 50% profit for netting $46.68, guys. On September 21st, receive a dividend from XLK of $36.03, guys. Immediately reinvested those dividends to acquire 0.21% of a share at an average price of $165. Now on the 27th, sold another covered call, 2 days to expire only, received $35 for it, closed it, and netted 100% of those profits, $35.36, for a grand total of $137. Now let's move over here to XLRE, guys. XLRE is our real estate ETF, guys. Now this ETF paid us $8.93 in dividends. I immediately reinvested those dividends to acquire 0.25 or a quarter of a share at a price of $35.46, guys. Now all of this together for the month of September netted us $496, guys. Here's the chart showing where all of this money came from, guys. This was a good month, guys. It was more of an average month for me, making around $400 to $500 a month in extra cash flow, guys. And that extra cash flow that we loved every month. Now my question to you guys is, how much did you net it in income from dividends and from options if you play the options game for the month of September, guys? Leave your comment below, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, share this video, and subscribe, guys. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.